Okay, this is the demonstration for step 2 of the menu project. So what we need to do with the menu project is decide how many servings in a week's time you will make of each one of your menu items. For this project, everyone will need to sell 1,250 items in 1 week's time. So we want the total number from each of these to add up to 1,250. So from your appetizers, your entrees, and your desserts, we want a total of 1,250 items sold. So what we're going to do first for this project is you'll need to add another column. And I want a column to go in between the recipe name and the trend rationale column. And so in order to insert a column, the easiest way I think is just to click on the column heading B, and there's a drop down arrow, and I will want it to go to the right of the recipe name. So I will say insert one to the right. And there it is. All right, now the title of this heading, we're going to say number of items per week, or numbers sold per week. Okay, now down here at the bottom, now you don't have this yet, so this wouldn't have been in your copy. So you're going to type in total items. So you're doing this on your copy that I returned to you after, so you're just building on your own menu here. So after you've inserted that column, we're just going to start taking a guess here. So we need to add up to 1,250 items. So, well, let's just say we sold, out of these crostinis, maybe I sold 100 of those. So type in 100 right next to it. There's a in-between space there. The next one, I'll say 95. For this one, we'll go 120. And 125. And 130. 120. Fresh fish, we'll go with 115. Smoked mac and cheese, 115. Fruit cobbler, let's go 90 of those. And my last item here for the brownies, I'm going to go with 130. It's a very big favorite for the people. All right, so I just took a guess. Now I needed those to add up to 1,250. I don't know if they do or not. So I'm going to come down to this column right beside total items, which you needed to type in. And I'm going to type in the @ sign, or wait, equals first, then the @ sign, and then sum. Actually, sorry, SUM. No @ sign, that's a different program. All right, so sum, and now what I'm going to do is highlight from a little, I'm going to click here and just drag my cursor up to the very top. And if you look, it says sum of C5 to C23, and I'm going to close the parentheses and hit enter and see what we have. Okay, so we're only at 1,140. I need another, what, another 110 units of things, and so you can go back and revise. And so let's see. So I'm going to come up here, and I actually think smoked mac and cheese might be more popular, so I'm going to make that 135. Now what do we have? We have 1,160. Maybe make these appetizers a little more. So I'm going to make that one 120. Now, the way you would know this in an actual restaurant situation, you would know how many you are selling each week. But we're making the project so that it's going to be the same for everybody, kind of even the playing field here. And so we're going to go with 125 for that one. We're getting there. Maybe this will be, no, I'm going to make the steak, which is really good. I'm going to make that up to 155. All right, and we have a little bit more, 35 more, 45 more, I guess. And so we'll bump the burnt steak ends up to 135 and add 5 more to that one. And I need 20 more. So maybe the fruit cobbler. We'll make that into 110. That'll do it. So 1,250. Like I said, you're just going to kind of play what if until it adds up to 1,250. And we'll stop this video right here. So give that a try. Replay the video if you have to.